Hey there, this is Christina with WTI, and I want to share with you something that has helped me so much. It is the 5-htp by Wild and Organic. Now, I started taking 5-htp to help with my serotonin levels, help with my mood, help me when I'm feeling a little bit anxious, to relax and calm down, and to help me with my sleep. And I have to say that it has helped immensely in all of these areas. What's so great about the Wild Organic brand is that it's a little chewy gummy, a gummy bear to be exact. It does taste like blueberry. It is absolutely delicious. I actually feel like it's a treat when I take it at night. I also take it during the day sometimes if I am feeling like a little bit anxious, and it does relax me completely. It has 5-htp in it, but it also has L-tryptophan as well, which is what I believe helps me with the sleep. I definitely would recommend this if you're looking for something to help you in these areas of life, and that is my point of view.